Ayur Ruddhi Pranayama. First one, Chinmudra, Chinmaya Mudra, Adi Mudra, Merudanda Mudra. Chinmudra, Chinmaya Mudra, Adi Mudra, Merudanda Mudra, Brahma Mudra. Clear? 5 mudras. Pranayama, deep breathe in, first step. Hold the breath, deep breathe in, hold the breath, completely breathe out. Every mudra many times you have to repeat. Clear? It may be a 3, 5, 10. How many rounds you want to practice this one? This is Ayur Ruddhi Pranayama. Okay? See, entire Karya Siddhi Kriya Yoga is a bunch of secrets, bunch of rituals. One secret itself you can practice. Okay? Ayur Ruddhi Pranayama. Okay? 5 minutes you can practice. Somewhere you have time, 3 minutes you can practice. Half an hour you can practice. 10 minutes you can practice. Choice is with you. Clear? Is clear? Any doubt is there in this one? No? Clear. See, every mudra, Chin Mudra. This is Chin Mudra. Clear? Chinmaya Mudra. Clear? Chinmaya Mudra. Adi Mudra. Adi Mudra. Clear? Merudanda Mudra. Clear? Merudanda. Brahma Mudra. See, Adi Mudra is there, no? Adi Mudra. Join. And rest on the navel. Is it? Brahma Mudra. Is clear? Why Nabhi? What's the speciality here? Tell me. It directly connects to the universal energy. This mudra, no? Directly connects. You have to experience this one. Few days, give me the time. See the magic of your life. Okay?